Phantom Trouble car back at it again. We out here in Colorado in the snowstorm. Check it out. Woo! Look at them chains, baby. Look at them chains. Outside. Woo! Woo! Yo, they got ski boats, jet skis out here and all that. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Yo, the snow is so bad that the ski-mobiles are stuck. Look at that. He all in the deep snow. Look at that, look at that. Getting it. Yo, this is crazy. We still out here. It's so crazy that the bulldozer got chains. When's the last time y'all seen a bulldozer with chains? Shit.
Look at how tall this snow is.
Look at that. Oh my Lord. Yo, this is crazy. This is not right. We outside. Damn, we outside. Look at these beautiful views. So y'all can see these views here. Look at that. Got my Texas hat. Think I earned my badge, earned my trucking badge yet? Look at that. Look at these views. Damn, nigga, you fucking. Little Wagoneer trying to get it in the snow. Look at that. Oh, we over here slipping and sliding. He's just gripping.
Hell no, we ain't slipping and sliding.
And yes, this is I-160. It's like a winter wonderland. Yo, this is unreal. Look at that ice down there. The whole lake is frozen. That's crazy. Look at that.